Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another job lead video. I will try to keep this one very quick and to the point and have you on your way. Please stay until the end because I do think there is a possibility this one will hire worldwide from all countries. I will explain more when we get down to the bottom of the job posting page. So let's just jump on in. Conduin is hiring a data entry case analyst to work remotely. Now it says the pay for this is only $13 an hour, but it is work from home remote. So you don't have gas expenses and clothing expenses of traveling back and forth to the office. So a little bit about Conduin. It says, through our dedicated associates, Conduin delivers mission-critical services and solutions on behalf of Fortune 100 companies and over 500 governments. And so the job description is data entry combined with critical thinking to build cases for our clients. Our clients are health insurance carriers, so like Blue Cross Blue Shield, United Healthcare, different health insurance companies. We try to get reimbursement for claims our clients paid out due to motor vehicle accidents, slip falls, product liabilities, and workers' compensation, that where there is another carrier that is responsible for medical bills. Now let me just explain a little bit. In the healthcare field, this is called pay and chase. And so what happens, you're in a car wreck and you're seriously injured and you get in the ambulance and they take you to the hospital and you get services done. Now, technically, if someone is at fault of that car wreck that's not you, their car insurance is supposed to pay for your medical bills. And on the flip side, if you're responsible, you have car insurance that might take care of your own medical bills. But in the moment everything's going on, you're just trying to get the help that you need. So they normally take your actual regular health insurance and they bill it. And so what your health insurance company will do is they'll go ahead and pay it so that you're fine and you're on your way and you get the services that you need. And then they will hire companies to go after the person who was supposed to pay it, like the car insurance company, later on the back end. And so that's what this is doing. And it says you're responsible for updating the case with eligibility provided, reviewing correspondence, receiving and summarizing a note in the case, and they will have a standard set on an hourly basis of how many files are to be opened, so you will be on production-based requirements. And it says, while you will receive a phone, there is no phone work required for this position. We do provide all equipment. You are responsible for providing internet service. So no phone work, and they provide your computer and all equipment other than your internet. Such a good deal. Their training is about a week long, so they do have paid training. It says hours are 8 to 4:30 Central Standard Time for the training, and then after training, it's 8 to 5 or 8:30 to 5 Central Standard Time, depending on an hour or a half an hour for lunch. I assume you get to choose if you take just a half an hour or an hour. The company I work for lets you choose. It's $13 an hour. They would like previous data experience, someone who is tech savvy, someone who has a steady work history, and you must pass a background test. You must be at least 18 years old and have a high school diploma, GED, or above, but no college degree is required. And so it does say it requires vocational training, certifications, licensures, or equivalent experience. So if you have experience in data entry or any other healthcare experience, then no degree or certification is required. You'll need to be able to perform tasks based on established procedures and use data organizing and coordination skills. Now, for general profile, it says develop proficiency with a range of analytical skills, completes assignments, and facilitates the work of others, and you need to act as a lead and coordinate work of others, but you're not a supervisor. It just goes on to say a little bit more about you need to be a problem solving, you need to have effective communication skills. Some of the responsibilities will be tracking and monitoring daily and monthly reporting, communicating with your team and managers, and performing all duties as assigned. Now, this is where the caveat comes in. It says they're an equal opportunity employer, and if you read the whole little spill at the bottom, all the way down here, it says for U.S. applicants, while we do not require vaccine for most of our jobs, we do require you provide us your vaccination status where legally permissible. So since they have the clause for U.S. applicants, it kind of makes me think that it is a possibility that they hire worldwide, because they do not say anywhere in here that it is for U.S. only, and then they make the statement for U.S. applicants, like there might be applicants outside of the U.S. So it is up to you what you assume and if you put your application in if you are not in the U.S. and try or not. I cannot speak. I do not work for these companies. I just share the job leads that I come across. So I cannot speak specifically to if they're only hiring within the U.S. or if they are hiring worldwide. But that is just my assumption based on reading between the lines of the words that are in the job posting. All right, and if you made it to the end of this video, I just want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, if you have anything you are specifically looking for, leave them in the comments. I am always reading the comments and trying to look for things that work for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.